Hello, I'm GeckoSolo, and today I'm going to discuss why Python is so popular. Reason 1. Python supports lots of modules. Although for some tasks more specialised tools are available, the built-in Python modules should be fine for most things. Number 2. Python is supported by lots of stuff. Since Python is one of the main programming languages, most IDEs should have it supported, as well as other software. Number 3. Python's easier to learn than most programming languages. Obviously, most block-based programming languages are going to be easier, but for actual programming languages that are text, Python's probably the easiest. Number 4, there's lots of courses and tutorials. Obviously, some other programming languages are going to be better for some things, but if there's not as many courses, you might not be able to learn it as fast. Same thing if you're trying to find a solution for your problem on Google or something. And finally, number 5, cross-platform compatibility. There's an IDE for basically every OS, for example, like Idle for Windows and Linux, and PyDroid for mobile. That's all I have for today. See you in the next video.